Hello again, my name is Rodney Reynolds and welcome to another video review. Today we'll be looking at the Koolcases Santa Fe case. A couple things that are a little different with this case, and it's great for the price of the case. You get a window included as well as a neon light. Now the neon light comes with two-sided Velcro so you can stick it anywhere, and also there's a switch to turn the light on and off, and of course you can install this anywhere you want to in the case, but you will have to drill the hole and do it yourself using this template. I'm going to show you how I did that and install this switch in the very front bottom of the case a little later on in the video review. Here at the front of the case we have 4 5¼ inch bays, 2 3½ inch bays. Here is the power switch. We have a reset switch. Right here are the LEDs for the power as well as the hard drive activity. At the very back top of the case is where the power supply gets installed. They have included a fan, and that fan is great for exhausting all that hot air that gets trapped inside of your case. Right here is where the AGP and PCI cards protrude through once you have the motherboard installed and those cards installed as well. They have included an I/O shield plate. Now you can, of course, take that out if it doesn't fit your particular motherboard, because most motherboards do come with their own I/O shield plates. Something else you will notice about this case is the very handy thumb screws. This makes it very simple to remove the side panels on the case. And included in this case is the side window. This is very cool, so you can see inside the case, and especially cool when you have that neon light installed. I'm going to show you what that looks like when it's completed. Inside the case is pretty common. You have the 5¼ inch bays and the 3½ inch bays. However, you will notice that these go all the way down to the bottom of the case, so you have tons of space here to put your hard drives. At the front bottom of the case, there is a place to install an optional fan, which is fantastic because that will bring in all kinds of cool air inside the case. Included in all cases are the different leads that plug into your motherboard for the reset switch, the power switch, the different LEDs, and the speaker. Also included in this case is a fold-out motherboard tray. Now let me show you how that fold-out motherboard tray actually works. To access the motherboard tray, you'll need to take off the right side of the case first. And now you can see the motherboard tray. There's 2 screws which connect this to the case. Just unscrew those, then you can just fold this out. And once the screws are removed, you can go ahead and just fold it out, do what you have to do on the tray, bring it back into the case, and just slide it in here at the right, and just go ahead, screw those 2 screws back, and you're finished. I'm going to install the switch here in the front bottom of the case, and I'm going to use this little template here first to mark the spot and drill a hole right through here. Then take the switch, push it through, connect it up from the inside, then you're finished. With the neon light mounted inside the case as well as the switch installed, you can now really appreciate how cool this all looks. And remember, you have that switch so you can turn it on and off at any point. If you're in the market for a case that is affordable, has a window already installed, has a neon kit, also has a removable motherboard tray, well, this is it. Overall, this case has great value. Again, my name is Rodney Reynolds, and this has been another video review. Be sure to check back very soon. I will have a brand new one for you then. Also, be sure to pop into my website at www.3dgameman.com. And while you're there, you can go into the forums. If you haven't already registered, registration is completely free. Until the next time, take care.